Hi friends, this is Vishal Vijay, your business partner and your friend. So today we are going to discuss about some points of crowd1. See, many distributors are calling me, telling that sir, my new distributors they doesn't have any information about crowd1, and I am giving a lot of presentations, and people are asking what is the mileage of this company, who is the management of this company, is this a universally accepted company? Like that, a lot of questions are coming. So today I'm going to discuss the mileage of this company or who is the management of this company. Okay, so this will be only fact and figures, my dear friends. So for that, I'll be taking out my Google. Okay, so I have already opened some of the websites for easiness for your for my easiness as well as your easiness. First of all, to tell you what is the mileage of this business, or to tell you to make you understand what is the power of this business. First of all, you can go to the Alexa rankings. I'll click on back. Alexa is an Amazon company. Amazon is the world's biggest company. We cannot do any kind of manipulation, or we cannot do any kind of like what money things. We cannot give money, and we can do these things and all. So this Alexa company, they will they what they do is they uh, learn about, or they audit about the site metrics of all the legal companies in the world, and they provide a rank for these companies. For example, let's search flipkart.com. Flipkart.com. If you search for six Flipkart.com, one of the world's top companies, you can see that company is in the 81st rank in the whole world metrics. And if you search for Uber, or if you search for any companies, you can get it. Uber.com. You can see the side metrics of Uber.com. So it is around 1,132. Now you search for Crowd1. Crowd1 is also a universally accepted company. Our company, Crowd1, is also a universally accepted company. Where you click on that, and you can see that the site rank of this company is 1099. So just understand what is the potential of this business. If Flipkart is there in Alexa rankings, if Uber is there in Alexa ranking, Spotify is there in Alexa ranking, and if Mahindra is there in Alexa ranking, our Crowd1 is also there in the Alexa ranking. So you can understand a company like Amazon won't give any fake information. They'll only give the genuine information. That is the first thing. The second thing is that you can go to Impact Crowd Technology, which is our parent website, and you can go to the contact us area, where you can see that we are a company which is running with proper tax number, proper VAT number, and website, and all the things. And if you go back to our people, the management, because the management is the backbone of any business. So first of all, let me introduce Mr. Jonas Werner. Jonas Eric Werner. He's known as the guru of just what can we say, the affiliate marketing industry or the network marketing industry. He's a multi-millionaire. Second, Johan Westerdahl. Johan Westerdahl is a chief commercial officer of Crowd1, and if you search the past of this this person, the past of this person, he used to be the CEO of Oriflame, the world's oldest cosmetic company, the cosmetic direct selling company Oriflame, which was founded in 1957. So you should understand that such an experienced person is Johan Westerdahl, who came to Crowd1 and who has been working as the chief commercial officer here. And the hero, the CEO of this company, which is Johansson von Holstein. If I tell about this person, you should understand. He is one of the top businessmen of Sweden. He is running four companies, which includes Let's Buy.com, Starflow.com, and let's say Icon Media Lab. So all his four companies are registered in NASDAQ and as well as stock exchange also. So you should understand such an experienced people are in this industry. And in the last interview, Johansson von Holstein was telling that this Crowd1 is our dream project. Just understand, in our India, if Ambani's and Tatas are starting a business, we can trust it 100%. Like that in Europe, Jonas Erik Warner, Johan Westerdahl, and Johansson von Holstein, such experienced people are coming together and starting a company. That means you should understand what is the backbone, what is the mileage, what is the power of this industry and business. Now, going to the direct selling fact and figures for the momentum rankings. Businessforhome.org is a website which is universally accepted for direct selling. where you can see, according to the Alexa rankings, Crowdon is the number one company here also, where Amway, the world's first direct selling company, is in the 10th position. Oriflame, the world's first and the oldest cosmetic company, is in the third position. And if this company has reached it within 1.5 years, if it have reached the first position, you can understand what is the power and what is the speed of this company. Now, if you search in Google for the top 500 fastest growing companies, you can the website called businessforhome.org, which is universally accepted for direct selling. They tell you that Crowdon is the number one business, which is showing a revenue difference of 8,900%. Now you go and see about the other companies, you can see 400%, 100%. If you go down, you can see 50%, 33%. As compared to these companies, you just understand what is the revenue difference of this company. It is 8,900% my difference. So it's a big difference. That's the growth of this business. Now I would like to show you one more thing. This is our website. This is our Crowdon back office, where if you see, our legal office is located at Dubai, Jumeirah Lake Towers, United Arab Emirates. You should understand, to start an office in Dubai or start a business in Dubai, the government there will learn about the complete legality, then only they get the approval. That's why our legal office is at Dubai. And we have the world's best legal team, that if anywhere any problem is happening, we have a legal team assigned 24 hours for the support. That we have this legal team, and even if a problem is coming, they have the capacity to solve that problem within a very short span of time. Now, another positivity that our company, the website is powered by Google or Google Translate. I can say we have all the languages here, and you should understand, we won't get this tagline simply. A company like Google, to get this tagline, they will first learn about the legality of the company, then only they'll give the approvals. So you should understand, these are some of the points that you can tell your new distributors, and you can tell your the people who are going to start, what is the mileage of this business and what is the universal acceptance of this business. Anyway, thank you so much for your time, guys. It's Vishak Vijay. Thank you so much. Share it with your friends. All the best.